Now, what about the other speakers, apart from you and I? Who else is on the bill?
We've got Gillian Ellis, and hopefully she's going to be coming down with Azkarar, the jade skeleton, again, and she's got one of the Mongolian ancient jade skulls, Kimi, one of the three. So she'll be coming with those and sharing her experiences and probably whatever's happened to her on her journey in the last 12 months. But that's quite interesting because obviously she shares, about how they were found and their story. So we've got Gillian, there's myself, there's you. I've got to count on my fingers now to make sure I don't miss anybody out. We've got Sue Kitts, who I think this year is probably going to be talking more about the connections with the Crystal Skulls and Atlantis, because that's something that's been coming through quite strongly for her this year from what I gather. We've got Elizabeth Hartstar coming back. And Elizabeth is really, really good and really hot on astrology. So I think she's going to be talking a lot about the astrology from 2010 to 2011. So we've got Elizabeth Hartstar, and she's got Hartstar, the crystal skull. I think he's Himalayan. I think I'm right in saying he's Himalayan. And she did a very interesting presentation at the last one with regards to it's what we knew in the media as the crop circle with the alien and the pizza. And so she did a lot of information on that, so she'll be talking as well. Who have I missed out? Wendy will be coming up from Glastonbury as well with Chwen.
Now, I think it's a great lineup of speakers, but how can people actually get tickets, and what's the dates of the event?
The dates of the event is the 5th to the 7th of November. Tickets are already selling really fast. They've only been available for a couple of weeks and we've sold half of them already, so people do need to be quick. crystalskullconference.co.uk. Hopefully Renzo, my gorgeous webmaster and business partner, hopefully he's put the website up this week while we've been away. So crystalskullconference.co.uk. Or you can call me on 01634 270 307. I think that's it really, because you do need to obviously book in advance. I don't think he's putting a booking form up on the website because tickets are going so quickly. I obviously need to make note of them, but so crystalskullconference.co.uk is probably the easiest way of getting more information.
Okay, Crystal Skull Conference. I'm going to be there. Sharon's going to be there. Are you going to be there? Hope so. See you there.